Howdy. I think, I guess, that you already know what I'm gonna do next. So there's yet another pebble found in the yard. And it is mostly quartz, but it has also some other materials. And somehow I thought since it's red, it could be iron. Since it's yellow, it could be also sulfur. And there are those interesting, or at least this one bigger hole. And yeah, let's go to the microwave. And I'm still not the cameraman. And I actually somehow expected that something would happen where this hole is, but I was wrong. Let me pause quickly. The hole is up here, but we have action down here. So now let's scroll back a little bit in order for you to experience how long it took until we had any reaction. Fifteen, 20 seconds. I didn't check the clock, but it didn't took long. Yeah, it's a little bit warm, but as you can see, I don't have any gloves or anything. And it has a really nice pattern created on top of that. But where the hole was, where I somehow expected the action to happen, there didn't happen anything. And I noticed some problem. There's a fire and smoke. Yeah, this video ends abruptly because I was running out of memory space and stuff like that. But it seems to do it again and again. So I figured out there might be something with the microwave. And yeah, it's a bit sketchy. So there is something. There's this lower. Here we can see it's black, and I think that's the place where has been something attached to it, maybe from another experiment or I don't know. And it's spark between here, I think so. And that's the pebble. after the experiment. I think that's very interesting. It's very beautiful as well. And I think that's a macro picture in order to see some details a bit better. There are many details. I think geologists would be very interested into that. What happened? What's this black stuff? Yeah, I really would like to know. That's a little bit a different angle. And you can see it cracked the stone. Here, 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 and there's a crack here as well. Maybe one here. In other words, this stone has been also a little bit growing in the microwave. Maybe I'm gonna cut it open and see how it looks inside. Is there anything inside? I guess so, but well, let's see. I got to first cut it open and maybe make another video. Let's see, maybe it just breaks into a million pieces. But this will be then the next or so video. Microwaving stones is very interesting. Now the microwave works again because I was cleaning it a little bit where we had excessive sparking, so to say. And hopefully I can continue to play around with pebbles and microwaves. Thanks. Bye.